Xerox PrimeLink, C9065 and C9070 printer. How to use reduction enlargement. Reduction enlargement is used to reduce or enlarge an image, either proportionally or independently. This is useful when a customer wants their copy printed on a different size media. From Services Home, select Copy. Go to the Layout Adjustment tab, then select Original Size. Input the size of the original using Auto Detect, manual size input, or the list of standard sizes. You can also always input a custom size. Then touch Save. Remember, the length of the long side of your original is the number that is generally used for the calculation. There are two different types of reduction and enlargement. Proportional, your copy will be the same shape as the original, but all dimensions will be smaller or larger. Independent, your original image will be stretched or contracted to fit the dimensions you choose for your copy. These are common percentages used to enlarge to a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet. Use the same formula for reduction or enlargement. Percentage equals what you want divided by what you have. You can also use the handy proportion wheel, like the one shown, to calculate reduction and enlargement. For proportional reduction and enlargement, after inputting the size of your original, go to the Copy tab and select the correct reduction enlargement percentage. Touch Save, then press the Start button. Auto Percentage will enlarge your original to fill a sheet of a standard size paper. For independent reduction and enlargement, after inputting the size of your original, go to the Copy tab and select More. Select Independent XY percentage, then select Auto XY percentage. Auto XY percentage lets the printer do the calculation work for you. However, you can always choose to input the width and length percentage yourself. Percentage equals what I want divided by what I have. The originals must be placed on the glass or document feeder in the same orientation as the paper you will be using in the paper tray. Remember, do not use independent reduction enlargement for photographs of people unless you want to see some truly bizarre outputs.